Today we're going to learn the power of boo. Boo. In English it means don't or no. 3 phrases we're going to learn today. The first one is 不好. How meaning good, no good. Right? You can say this is no good, this food is no good, this person is no good. 不好.
不好.
Yeah, you're going to describe that thing is no good, not good. 不好.
不好.
Yeah, make sure that the 不 is firm, right? 不
不
好.
好.
Because 好 is good, right? So 不好.
不好.
Perfect. Second word is don't understand, right? Asian people saying a lot of things, blah, 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 blah. You don't understand. So you can say 不懂.
不懂.
Yeah, same thing, right? Like 不好 is 不懂.
不懂.
Yeah, the feeling is just like, 不懂.
不懂.
Oh, perfect. So 懂 means understand. So you put 不, that means don't understand. So 不懂.
不懂.
Perfect, perfect. Now I'm going to show you the third one. Don't want. I don't want it. Somebody give you something, you say, I don't want it, right? 不要.
不要.
Yeah, both words are firm. 不要.
不要.
So 要.
要.
So 要 means want, right? So 要.
要.
不要.
不要.
Perfect. Now let's repeat the 3 phrases. Very important we learn. You're going to use it very often with your Asian friend or hear them saying a lot, okay? First one is 不好.
不好.
Perfect. Second one is don't understand. 不懂.
不懂.
The third one is don't want. It's very firm, okay? 不要.
不要.
Perfect, perfect. Now you learn the 3 very powerful power of boo.